What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be doing a half up, half down hairstyle, as you've seen in the inspo I just showed from Instagram. It is another Instagram live look. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I love when my clients bring a picture for what they're going for, because I can go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, do what they need me to do based off the picture. I'm a very visual person. So it basically was 2 bangs in the front, you know, with a half up, half down in the back with a bun. And I was like, okay, girl, yeah, we could do that. She said, I'm going to the Drake concert. I'm like, oh, this is going to be super cute. So I went ahead and shampooed her out, and I'm about to blow dry her. I do use the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk leave-in conditioner. I like to use the Kenra blow dry spray. And I did a little bit of the Miracle Milk by Mazzani just to give her hair, you know, some moisture. I like all of those products together for a blow dry. So I'm just going to start off with a part on the side of her ear. The bun is a little low. You just want to make sure it's low enough so that, you know, the fan is not too high when you flip it over. So I am starting with a lower part that I will use for a regular half up, half down. So I'm just going to separate that, and then we're going to go ahead and braid the back down. And y'all should know how this go, okay? I think my last couple of videos has been on quick weaves. If you haven't watched those videos, make sure you go back and watch. Quick weaves are pretty easy if you know, if you just follow the steps. I mean, honestly, all hairstyles is really just knowing what the steps are to achieving the hairstyle, and then you just repeat that on every client. You know what I'm saying? You get your little twist, get your little twang, and then yeah, the client's gonna love it, and they're gonna keep coming back, and you keep with the same formula until you decide you want to go and grow, you know, go take a class, maybe learn a little bit of new techniques. But the key is to having your routine. That way you should know what your timing is, and you should also know, you know, what needs to be done in the hairstyle. So I'm starting off with this braid down that I would normally do for a quick weave at the back. And then I'm gonna go in with my quick weave solution, which is something like Morning Glory. I think it's called Salon Pro Weave Protect or something like that. I am using the black version. And then, you know, I'm just gonna cover her braids in the back on top of a black cap with that solution, and then sit her under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Her hair is blonde, so she did get 2 packs of number 27 from the hair store. I believe she got a 14 and a 16. So I used the 16 at the back and then the 14 to make the ponytail / bun fan up situation. This hairstyle was super cute. I mean, it was definitely Drake appropriate. She was like, you think I'm gonna look cute for Drake? Yes, girl. This is giving a look for Drake, okay? And this is just something quick you could do at home. I really believe that you can do it. And if you want to try, I think you should. You just really need to feel around for the back of your head. There's all these new gadgets out right now where you can like see yourself in the TV doing your own hair. Give it a try because it's really easy. And sometimes people don't even put the braids at the back. They really just gel it down and flip their ponytail up and put the cap on top. Make sure you use the solution and let the solution dry before you start applying the extensions. Give it a try at home. Stay tuned for the rest of this tutorial. This hairstyle came out super cute. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those questions down in the comment section. I will make sure to get back to you. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you are up to date with what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. I appreciate you all for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and just stay tuned for the rest. I appreciate you tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.